Hey guys, okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to use Adobe Photoshop to create an automation to mask our boat or our kayak in our 360 images. So the first thing that we want to do is make sure we have our actions window open, and we do that by going to window and making sure that actions is selected. Now we're going to go ahead and create a new set. Go mask boat, and then we're going to click add to add the new action and start recording. Now we want to turn it to a tiny planet. That's going to get us looking at water and not trees. The way we do that is we go to image, rotation to 180, and then filter polar coordinates. Distort polar coordinates. And we want it to be rectangular to polar. Go OK, and now we can see our whole boat here. Now we're going to have Photoshop go ahead and make our selection for us since this is an automation. And we want to go over to our Object Select tool, and if you click on it and hold down, you get three options. You want to make sure that Object Selection tool is the one that is selected. You have a couple of options. You have rectangle or lasso. You can play with it and see which one works best for you, but I'm going to go ahead and pick the rectangular tool here. And we get most of it in there, and then Adobe did a nice job of finding almost everything for us. Next thing we do is we go to Edit, Content Aware Fill. And we're going to go ahead and expand our pixels by 6. That is going to make sure that it's going to just expand this outline a little bit, so it's just on the outside of the boat or the kayak. That way you don't get the edge of the kayak in there and have it look like a ghost. So that looks pretty good. I didn't get those little ribbons in the back there, but I'm not too worried about that. Go ahead and click OK. And now we're going to deselect what we have here by pushing Control or Command D. That's going to deselect our image there, and you can see that did a pretty good job. Well, that's where it was, and now that's where it is. Again, I didn't get these lines in there, but they're in the back, and so I'm not that worried about it. Okay, to get it back to normal, we need to merge these two layers. So we're going to click on both of them, Shift and select both of them, right click, and go ahead and merge these layers into one. That way we can untiny planet, and it will actually do it. We're going backwards this time, so instead of rectangular to polar, polar to rectangular, and flip our image back around, and there we have it. Boat is gone. So go ahead and stop, and now we have our action right here. So this works great. Let's go ahead and get rid of this guy. We have more images in that folder. This one has already been done. You can see there the boats in those. That one's already been done, so we're going to create a new folder and have that one be completed. All right, so now we have 9 more in this folder. To automate, we go File, Scripts, not Automate. Go ahead and select the folder, and we're going to go ahead and save it in the same location. I'm saving mine as a JPEG. You can add these files if you want. And our action is going to be mask boat. Now we can run it. And I have my history up, so it'll show you what it's doing at any given time. But you can also see it created this JPEG folder here. And you can see that they are populating. So there you have it. Now you have your automating action.